Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on interactive brokers. And I need to tell you that interactive brokers didn't select that you are available to buy crypto. You need to turn that one on. So just an example, if we search right here for Bitcoin, you will see here a lot of things. And if you click right here on crypto, you will find these 5 options. But right now, if you click here on Bitcoin currency, there is no any option to get the chart or how we can create our position. So what we're gonna do is quite simple. We go from here to our account and then click right here on settings. And then after that, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And then from now, what we're gonna do is we click here on trading permissions. And now we need to search right here for the Bitcoin option. So that is this option right here. So if you click now here on request, he is loading the web page right here, if you can see. But we need to enable that we are allowed to trade with cryptos. So he is asking right here, the financial information provided does not meet the requirements to trade CFD. Now let's say we do now continue. Now we also need right here to do the quiz. But if you do the following steps and interactive brokers thinks that you are a correct person to trade right here with cryptos, then they will give you permission. So make sure that you fill in your information correctly, and then after this you can trade crypto. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for, and you can do this for every single thing that is not enabled to trade with. So if you go back right here, go back, let's say go back to where we were right here. So this is the page where you can turn on everything that you want to trade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.